Hi everyone, what if I told you that you can use Claude-level coding power completely for free? Yes, with a powerful model like Google Gemma 4, which is 31 billion model, you can set this up in just a few minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, as you know, Claude is one of the most advanced AI model in the world, especially for coding, but there is a problem. It is paid, it has usage limits, and sometimes you run out of tokens exactly when you need it the most. So in this video, I am going to show you a completely free solution where you can combine the Claude-style workflow with powerful open models using Ollama. This means no cost, no limits, full control. And the best part is you can actually use this setup with almost any model you want, not just one. So let's get started. Before starting, most people face with errors like when they are using Ollama or OpenRouter setting cloud. So they are facing errors. So I will show you the fix of those errors at the end of the video. So just stay until the end of the video. Let's start. So first let's open Ollama website, ollama.com. Open this website. After opening this website, we will download Ollama. But first, what is Ollama? Ollama is an open source tool which is designed to provide us the large language models, LLMs, like Llama, Mistral, Gemma, Queen, for free to use on our local machine. That's it. So to download it, if you are using command, just simply copy this command and install through command. If you would like to download the setup, press the download button down, and here you can see for Windows, Linux, and for Mac, you can download that, the setup, and install that. I have already installed the Ollama. This is the Ollama setup which has been installed. I will open this. This is Ollama. After installing the Ollama, now let's install Claude code. So to install that, simply Ollama with Claude. Search this and open this Ollama documentation for Claude code because we would like to integrate it with Claude Ollama. So this is the website Claude code. Come here down to the install section. You will see here install Claude code. For Mac and Linux, use this command. For Windows, let's move to the Windows and copy the command. Let's copy this Windows command. Come here to the VS Code or open PowerShell or command prompt. Let's move to the terminal. On terminal, right click and paste that command. After pasting this, press enter and you will install Claude code on your machine. After installation completed, simply write Claude and it will open the interface of Claude for you. This is the Claude interface that you can see. Sonnet 4.6, the default model which is selected. For the first time, it may ask you to log into the Claude code. Don't log in. Okay, just exit from that page because we want to use it with Ollama. That's it. Let's exit now and we will use it with Ollama. Clear this. Come here. Now here we will search for models. Come here to the models. As we discussed at the start, you can use all these models. Which model you prefer, you can use that model. Some models are cloud-based and some are you need to install on your machine. Okay, I have installed, I will just show you Ollama Launch Cloud. Okay, press enter. So sorry, that spelling mistake. Ollama, L-A-U-N. Press enter. Look at these are recommended, but these at the end you can see I have downloaded these two models which are really low size models like 1 billion parameter and 0.6 billion parameter. You can download the models like here we will search now use with Gemma, a powerful Gemma 4 model. Open Gemma 4 model and down you will see you can download these models also. The best model is Gemma 4 31 billion which is 20 GB size. If you have high GPU and CPU RAM, you can download this model on your local machine and run locally without any limitation, any rate limit or anything else, just on your own machine with privacy also. But we will use this cloud base. We don't need high GPU and CPU in my system is very weak. So that's it. So we don't need to download that. Now we will use with this Gemma 431 billion cloud. So to use that here, the Ollama has command like you can simply run. If you would like to use it with Ollama, simply run this command and it will download this also. Yeah, one thing else that I want to show you that is if you want to pull a model, simply write Ollama pull and here write the command, the model name. Like here you would like to pull this, copy this command, this model name and paste that, press enter, it will download this on your PC. Now we want to use the cloud base. So for that, simply let's we have here the option. Look at, you can use with these application the Gemma 4 with Cloud Code, Codex, Open Code, and OpenCloud. Let's copy this command and paste that here. Instead of Gemma 4, simply we will use the cloud based. Look at Gemma 4 31 billion. Copy this and right click and press enter. Now we will launch Cloud Code with this model. Look at the model which is selected, Gemma 4 31 billion. So simply let's ask from this hi. It will just run this and run our query. Hello, how can I help you with your project? That's it. I told you that most people face with errors while they are running these models, like if they are using OpenRouter or Ollama. So I will show you the solution of those errors at the end. But now let's make a program, okay, a space shooter game using HTML. So for that, I will just write. So I pasted create a simple single file HTML space shooter game using Canvas API. Press enter, we will see the power of this model. So look at it, has created this HTML file for us just in a seconds. Do you want to create space shooter.html? Yes, I would like to create that. So look at space shooter has been created inside this folder that you can see. So it says I have created a single file space shooter how to play. Open the space shooter and use the arrow keys to move your ship. Press the space bar to fire, destroy with read enemy. Let's open it. Right click, open, reveal in file explorer. And let's run this. Double click and you can see, look at it is firing. You can use arrow key like this. A simple, this is, I told him a simple shooter. Okay, I didn't mention to it should include these players, these things. Just I told that a simple shooter and it made that in just a second. Okay, that is very fast and a powerful model. So now let's move to the second, some errors that you might face. Control C. Clear. First, whenever you are using the cloud-based Ollama model, you need to sign in, like Ollama sign in. I am already signed in. You are already signed in as user this. Okay, you should be signed in. And the second error is that while you are using Claude, simply search Claude and here run this command /config. After our /status, press enter. Look at now here. Here you can see the auth token, Anthropic auth token, but look at Anthropic base URL. The base URL is selected localhost 11434. It means this is the referring now to the Ollama. We would like to use this with Ollama. Always when you are using Claude, just check these settings. If you are using OpenRouter or any other provider, so keep in mind to change the base URL. And also, our token is okay. If you are using subscription, then that should be that. And this setting is very important. And the second thing that I want to show you that is, just a second. In C drive, you should move to users and find your user and there find .claude folder. After finding that Claude folder, check the settings. Sometimes it is not working because here in the setting you have some settings for Claude. So remove that setting if you are using with Ollama. After removing that setting, it will refer to the Ollama locally and you can use that. And sometimes if you already subscribed the Claude, you might find here a credential folder file also, then remove that also. You might face with these errors. This is very important. In comments, most people ask about these questions from me, these errors. So it was all about how to use Cloud Code with Ollama. I hope you learned something from this video. If this video was helpful, please like the video and also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.